Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to study about the roles of NGOs in promoting inclusion in the schools. So, imagine a world where every child feels included and empowered in schools. Today we will dive into the crucial roles that NGOs plays in making this vision a reality, fostering inclusion in our schools. Let's explore the impact and importance of the effort together. So, in the first slide, we will talk about the definition of inclusion in school. Basically, inclusion in the school refers to a philosophy and practices that ensure all students, regardless of their abilities, backgrounds, or differences, are embraced and provided with equal opportunities to participate fully in the education environment. It goes beyond merely integrating students with diverse needs into mainstream classrooms. It strives to create an atmosphere where every learner feels valued, respected, and supported. In inclusive schools, there is a commitment to acknowledging and celebrating the uniqueness of each student, fostering a sense of belonging, and adapting teaching approaches to accommodate diverse learning styles. The ultimate goals of inclusion is to cultivate an educational setting that reflects the richness of diversity, promoting not only academic success but also social and emotional well-being for every student. So, in the next slide, we will talk about challenges in inclusion. Making schools inclusive can be tough because it means changing how teachers and staff think about education. It's like asking them to adopt a new ideas that put every student, no matter their differences, at the center. This shift is not always easy. Also, schools might not have enough resources like extra help for the students who need it. It's a bit like trying to make a place welcoming for everyone when there is not be enough support. The challenges is not just about fixing things on the surface but also making sure everyone in the school community understand and cares about including every students. So there is a various challenges in inclusion, like structural barrier, legal and policy challenges, language and communication barrier, parental and community engagement, resource constraint, attitudinal barrier are also there. So now we will move toward the main part of this presentation, the role of NGOs. NGOs means non-governmental organization which play a crucial and a multi-faces role in promoting inclusion in schools. This organization actively engage in advocacy, working to influence policies that prioritize diversity and equitable education. Through their advocacy efforts, NGO contribute to creating an environment where every student, regardless of their backgrounds or abilities, can participate fully in the educational process. NGO also serves as a valuable resources for schools by raising awareness about the importance of inclusion. They provide education material, conduct workshops, and offer training programs for educators. These initiatives help teachers understand and address the unique needs of all students, fostering a more inclusive approach to teaching and learning. Collaboration is the key aspect of the NGO's involvement in promoting inclusions. NGOs often partner with schools to implement inclusion practices. This collaboration may involve developing and implementing inclusion curriculum strategies, creating accessible learning materials, and establish support system for students with diverse needs. In the next slide, we will talk about the examples of NGO initiative. NGO have implemented various impactful initiatives to promote inclusion in schools. One notable example is the provision of inclusive educational materials. NGO often create and distribute resources that cater to diverse learning needs, ensuring that all students, including those with disabilities, have access to relevant and engaging learning materials. Another significant initiative involves organizing teacher training programs. NGOs collaborate with educators to enhance their understanding of inclusive teaching methods. By conducting workshops and training sessions, this organization empowers teachers to adapt their approaches, making classroom more accommodating for students with diverse needs. In conclusion, non-governmental organizations play a vital role in fostering inclusion in school through multi-phases effort. By actively advocating for policies that prioritize diversity and equitable education, NGOs contribute to shaping an education landscape where every student's needs are considered. NGO serves as a valuable educational partners, providing resources that empower schools in their inclusion journey. Through awareness campaign, workshops and training programs, NGOs equip educators with the knowledge and tools to create inclusion learning environments. This education supports help break down barriers and ensure that each student, regardless of their backgrounds, can access quality education. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.